So the first thing I need to do is I'm gonna get my measurements on my dog kennel. I don't know if I'm gonna make them a new house. This one's a little rough, but I'm gonna measure it the same as if I'm using this one. It's nice and big. It'll fit 2 dogs, but one has a lot of room. Put a lot of like shavings in there and stuff, you know, to keep them really nice and comfortable and warm. So I just basically need to get my length and my width, and then I'm gonna add on whatever I need for my doghouse here, and that'll tell me how much lumber that I have to. So it's always really nice and handy to get this measurement while you're by yourself and holding a camera at the same time. And get it the best I can here. It's okay if it overlaps just a little bit. Hey, could you come outside and help me measure this?
Sure. Right.
Thank you. Sometimes you gotta call in the boss. All right. All right, now I need to get the width. 10 foot by... Okay. So we got, this is 10 foot. The doghouse. The doghouse is really 4 foot. Really? It's a big doghouse. Okay. And then my width was 5 foot, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now I just got to figure out. Now I just got to figure what I need for my boards and stuff, and then I can go get it. It's a little flimsy, but we're gonna be putting the deck boards on there. Once we put the deck boards on there, that's gonna stiffen everything up really nice. Got it. And so we'll be ready to set the cage up on it. Got the fence up on the platform and it fits it. We just got to find a way to kind of secure it on there. Now we're putting the girls' new collars on right now. Can you stay still for a second? Okay.
You're not supposed to show your phone.
So they got our phone number, which I won't show, and then their names. So if they get lost, get out, we can still track them down.
It's glow in the dark.
Speaking of customized, so I have Doneth Outdoors, and then it's personalized too. So I was thinking about getting your number on there too. So if you get lost, I can track you down. We can bring you back here. So we got their old dog house. I did a few improvements. I made the opening there a little bit smaller, and then I took what we had from an older dog house, the little plastic flaps right there, and the little shield that kind of goes over, protect them from the rain a little bit. I put yeah, just a smaller area for them, so they can, you know, basically kind of hold more heat in there. And it wasn't so wide open, just kind of letting all the heat out, so it's a little bit more cozy in there, hopefully. I don't think they're heavy enough to push it off, but if they were, it slides just a little bit, this will catch it so it doesn't slide off of the platform. And then because I've built this in here, you know, like you would stud up a house, so I've got this 2x4 in here, you know, the exterior walls, and I'm putting in, you guys are not helping right now, I'm putting in the plywood there on the inside. And so I'm gonna stick, I actually have some insulation, some house insulation from another project that I'm going to stick in there. So just got the insulation of the doghouse to do, and of course, as you can see, the roof. They're enjoying their open roof right now. We'll put the old mat in there, but they'll probably chew up. Hey, come here, girls. Can you give her some space? Come here. Come here. So that's just some tongue and groove that I set there for the top, and then I'm just gonna put some old tin pieces that I have just to keep the weather off of it. It's coming along pretty nicely. Almost there. As you can see behind me here is the finished dog kennel. We've been using it for a couple weeks now, and it's been way easier to clean, way easier on the dogs. So overall, it was a really fun project. It's gonna get the dogs way more comfortable when they're outside. Cost me about $125 for all the decking. Again, it was just an old doghouse that I had made with scrap stuff and pallets, and basically just kind of reinforced it. I had some old tin that I laid across it so that it'd be waterproof, and then I had some insulation that I had taken out of a project, and so that's what I used to insulate the doghouse. So you'll have to figure that in your own little project if you want to replicate this, but all in all, I'm really happy with this doghouse and kennel setup. They can't get out of there. They are comfortable. They're up off the ground, so they're not on the cold ground. They got the insulated doghouse, so if it's cold, they can go in there and they can get warm, both snuggle up together, and it'll retain that heat really, really well. Keeps them nice and dry. And so, really like the kennel. And if this was helpful to you, I appreciate it if you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.